Yo, Sanna, one thing about men, they will embarrass you. Men will embarrass you, you know? And they don't even realize that in the process, they are also embarrassing themselves, Sanna. They are also embarrassing themselves without even noticing. Like, what did Dando Tuma's baby daddy do? This guy really messed up. So, we have heard the rumors that he is a deadbeat baby daddy. He is not supporting the child financially. He is not there, even physically. Like, you don't have to be there financially only. You also need to be there physically to just, take your child to school, spend weekends with your child, and all of that. But Ntando Duma has opened up that this guy is just not there, he is just not there. Even on the internet, guys, the recent pictures are not there. When you Google him and the child, you only get these old pictures because he is not there. So Ugai went to Instagram and posted this AI picture, Sana. So this is supposedly him and Usbahle, their child with Untando Duma. Guys, people instantly noticed because Usbahle, we know him. We know her from Dandos Duma's post. We know her from a post and TikToks. Dando Duma is always posting their child. So we know Usbahle. So this guy, because he doesn't have recent pictures, or maybe he does have recent pictures, I don't know. But he went to Instagram and posted this picture, pretending like it's him and his daughter Usbahle, and people instantly noticed, like, Sana, Junior the Rock, what are you doing? Because this is not Usbahle. This is not Usbahle. People are saying, "Gutsi, this is AI." We can't even recognize our beautiful Usbahle because this child is a public figure, Sana. So nje we know her, Even nayo Junior the Rocker on this picture, he doesn't even look like himself yena ngokwakhe. So to have the nerve to post that picture, Sana, like, people are just now starting to say, Guti, this is why Ntando Tuma's husband, Una Rams, has been so present in Spatle's life. And as we can see on TikTok, they are just always happy. People are saying, it's okay, now we see why Ntando Tuma's husband is always present. Because when you are absent, you are really absent. Like, the stepfather has the real pictures with your child, and you don't have the recent real pictures. You are just using AI to post yourself and pose as a dad. Like, Njani, make it make sense, Junior the Rocker. You know? So nje sana Ntando Duma might have dodged a bullet. Like, really, really, And I've heard that not that I've heard, I've seen. He posted pictures that he got married. I mean, he was paying lobola and all of that. I am even starting to doubt that. Because after Ntando got married, he also posted pictures that he was paying lobola. He posted, nje event lobola negotiations, doing all that stuff. I am even starting to doubt because Susanna, how could you do that to your own child, Junior the Rock?